Hello. Sorry I can't be there, but I'm going to show you how to do this entrance ticket so that you'll be good to go for the quiz that you're going to take after we are done with this entrance ticket. Let us begin. I obviously would choose myself for president, and since there's never been a female vice president, I would choose Mr. Rhodes. All right, pull yourselves together. All right, so let us begin. For number one, it's an easy problem. You don't need to actually do anything first. And so you're just going to add. That's all you're going to do. 2x plus x is 3x. Y minus y goes away. 3 plus 3 is 6. Notice how, for an easy problem, all I had to do was just add. And I get 3x equals 6. And then I get x. By dividing 3, I get x equals 2. So x equals 2. So if you get this right on the quiz, I'll give you 2.5 points. So you get half the points, but that's not all what you want to do. So part 2 of each question, you replug that number back in. So let's get 2x plus y equals 3. I'm pulling this one over here. Remember, step 2 is always just pull another equation over. And then let's go ahead and plug in the x, which is 2. Notice how I'm doing that. Plus y. Oh, man, I'm excited. How about you guys? Oh, yeah. All right. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus y is 3. And so we're going to solve for y. And we get y is equal to negative 1. Those two answers give us your full points for number 1. So number 2. This one's a medium one because you have to subtract them instead of adding them. So I'm going to subtract everything. So x minus x goes away. Negative 2 minus y is negative 3y. Two minus 8 is negative 6. Notice how we just subtracted the bottom line. So we get negative 3y equals negative 6. Or y is equal to 2. Step 2, again, always just plug it back to one of the equations. X minus 2y equals 2. Please stop talking. So we plug in the y. We get x minus 2 times 2 equals 2. X minus 4 equals 2. Or x equals 6. Step 2 is just basic algebra of plugging in a number. You guys are great. Number 3 is a hard problem because you must multiply one of the equations. So let's multiply this one by 3. I'm going to multiply this one by 3 because if you multiply the top equation by 3, you end up with 6 right here, and 6 minus 6 goes away. So let's do that now. 6x plus 12y equals 30. And so let's add these up. Negative 6x plus 6x goes away. 8 plus 12 is 20. And 10 plus 30 is 40. How excited am I? Let's divide by 20. If you're not excited, I don't know. Y equals 2 is your answer for part 1. Because you were supposed to, again, add them up. We use 3 because 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so we use 3. Got this next equation, added them up. Added these two up, got this. Divided by 20, got 2. So step 2 is always the same. You plug it into the equation. 2x plus 4 times 2. Plug in that 2. Equals 10. So we get 2x plus 8. The suspense is killing me. Equals 10. We solve for x. We get 2x equals, well, we got to subtract 8. So we get 2x equals 2. Or x equals 1. Number 4 is a expert problem. I'd like you to star number 4 on your paper, or triangle it since I can't do a star, and start in your head and think about that number 4 on your quiz is going to be either IMS or NS. IMS or NS. And so let's go out and do that. So in your quiz, on your quiz, it's going to be IMS or NS, just so you know. You're welcome.